Say we have a large amount of data. Now we need to find the top 3 values out of that. So in this video, we are going to learn how to do that thing. As you can see, this is the data. As I move down, the data starts getting hidden because the values are going down. We are not able to see the first line or the header items as we move down. So what we should do is we should use what is known as freeze panes. For that, you go to View tab. In the View tab, in the window part, go to Freeze Panes and Freeze Top Row. Now, let us see how to find the highest values. Now, for the top value, that is the highest or the first value, we have a function that is known as a separate function which is known as max. So basically, use it equal to max and then select the data. Now in the data, you can fix the data by pressing F4 and then close it. Close the bracket and then enter. So this gives us the highest value which is present in that data. And for the second highest value, we cannot use the max function. So for that, we have to use the function large. Equal to large. Again, select the data. And this time, we press F4 for making it fixed. And then put comma and then put 2 because we found the second highest value. Then we can copy paste this formula in the second part. In the third highest part, the value will come same because we haven't changed the any value out of the data out of the formula. So what we can do is we can then change this 2 to 3. Third highest value. So for finding any value, any top value, what we need to use is the function large. Select the data which is there and then the number which you want. If you want second highest, third highest and so forth. In fact, you can use 1 also here and you will find out that it will give the maximum value which was there. So 975,415 and here we have used the large function. It is giving the same value, which basically means if you want to use a common function for finding the highest values, top 3, top 4, top 5 values, you can use a single function that is large. Now let us apply this to 2024 data. Now I am going to use the same function large for finding the highest value and further values. So large, go select the data for 2024, fix it by pressing F4. Then for highest value we will write 1, close the bracket and enter. You can even directly press the enter, that would have sufficed. Now copy the data in all the cells. The value is coming same because the array is fixed, the data is fixed and the number we have not changed it to 2 or 3. So now for the second highest we change 1 to 2 and for the third highest we change it to 3. So you can see the values have changed for 2024 for second and third as we have changed the values for value as 2 and 3. So this is how you can find the largest values within a data using the function which is large. Max will only give you the maximum value, the highest value in the whole of the data. I hope this video was clear to you. Thank you.